Practice English speaking with daily life conversation. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Where is your bag?
It's on the chair.
Where is your bag?
It's on the chair.
Is this your book?
Yes, it is.
Is this your book?
Yes, it is.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is.
Can he drive?
No, he can't.
Can he drive?
No, he can't.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What color is your car?
It's red.
What color is your car?
It's red.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where do you study?
At the university.
Where do you study?
At the university.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What's your hobby?
Reading.
What's your hobby?
Reading.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you like movies?
Yes, very much.
Do you like movies?
Yes, very much.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, two.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, two.
Where is the bus stop?
It's near the bank.
Where is the bus stop?
It's near the bank.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Is that your phone?
No, it isn't.
Is that your phone?
No, it isn't.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you want tea?
No, thank you.
Do you want tea?
No, thank you.
Is he your friend?
Yes, he is.
Is he your friend?
Yes, he is.
Are they here?
Yes, they are.
Are they here?
Yes, they are.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I love them.
What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
What's the weather like?
It's cloudy.
What's the weather like?
It's cloudy.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Can you help me?
Sure.
What's your favorite drink?
Juice.
What's your favorite drink?
Juice.
What do you eat for lunch?
Rice and chicken.
What do you eat for lunch?
Rice and chicken.
Is your house big?
No, it's small.
Is your house big?
No, it's small.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where is the park?
Next to the school.
Where is the park?
Next to the school.
Are you busy now?
Yes, a little.
Are you busy now?
Yes, a little.
What is this?
It's a pencil.
What is this?
It's a pencil.
Can you read this?
Yes, I can.
Can you read this?
Yes, I can.
Is your phone new?
Yes, it is.
Is your phone new?
Yes, it is.
Do you play the guitar?
No, I don't.
Do you play the guitar?
No, I don't.
What time do you sleep?
At 10 p.m.
What time do you sleep?
At 10 p.m.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
What's your favorite animal?
A tiger.
What's your favorite animal?
A tiger.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
Can you sing?
A little.
Can you sing?
A little.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Is it far?
No, it's close.
Is it far?
No, it's close.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, often.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, often.
Can you draw?
Not really.
Can you draw?
Not really.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Where is your school?
Near the library.
Where is your school?
Near the library.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread and eggs.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread and eggs.
Is he at home?
No, he's outside.
Is he at home?
No, he's outside.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, at night.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, at night.
Can she play piano?
Yes, she can.
Can she play piano?
Yes, she can.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I do.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I do.
Is it your birthday today?
No, it's tomorrow.
Is it your birthday today?
No, it's tomorrow.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I do.
Are you busy today?
Not really.
Are you busy today?
Not really.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Is the store open?
Yes, until 8.
Is the store open?
Yes, until 8.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just around the corner.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just around the corner.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
Can you help me study?
Yes, of course.
Can you help me study?
Yes, of course.
Do you go out on weekends?
Sometimes.
Do you go out on weekends?
Sometimes.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, every day.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, every day.
Where is your family?
In my hometown.
Where is your family?
In my hometown.
Is your teacher nice?
Yes, she is.
Is your teacher nice?
Yes, she is.
Do you write emails?
Yes, at work.
Do you write emails?
Yes, at work.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, no problem.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, no problem.
Is this your pencil?
No, it's his.
Is this your pencil?
No, it's his.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I do.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I do.
Are you from here?
No, I'm not.
Are you from here?
No, I'm not.
Do you like rain?
Sometimes.
Do you like rain?
Sometimes.
Can you dance?
Yes, a little.
Can you dance?
Yes, a little.
Is the book interesting?
Yes, very.
Is the book interesting?
Yes, very.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
Math.
What's your favorite subject?
Math.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where is your friend?
At home.
Where is your friend?
At home.
Can you call me later?
Sure.
Can you call me later?
Sure.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I do.
What do you do on Sundays?
I rest and read.
What do you do on Sundays?
I rest and read.